Modern Bosch dishwashers, especially those manufactured from 2020 onwards, feature standardized reset protocols that can resolve most common operational issues. The control panel is your primary interface for performing resets. Understanding the different types of resets available can save you time and potentially expensive service calls. There are three main types of resets you should know about, each designed for different situations and problems. The soft reset is the most commonly used reset type. It clears minor glitches by pressing and holding the start button for 3 to 5 seconds until all lights turn off. Use the soft reset when your dishwasher becomes unresponsive, experiences cycle interruptions, or shows minor operational issues. The hard reset, also known as a factory reset, returns your dishwasher to its original factory settings. This method varies by model, but typically involves specific button combinations. Use a hard reset for persistent errors, after power outages, or when multiple systems malfunction, and the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue. The control panel reset targets the electronic control board specifically. This involves disconnecting power for 5 minutes, then reconnecting it. Use this reset when the display shows garbled information or when buttons don't respond properly to your input. Understanding these three reset types gives you the tools to handle most dishwasher issues. Each serves a specific purpose, and knowing when to use which type can restore your dishwasher's functionality quickly and effectively. With this foundation of understanding, you'll be prepared to choose the right reset method for your specific situation. The universal soft reset is the most common and effective way to resolve minor dishwasher issues. This procedure works on all Bosch dishwasher models and clears temporary glitches. Step 1. Ensure the dishwasher door is completely closed. The reset will not work if the door is even slightly open. Step 2. Press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see all the indicator lights turn off when the reset is successful. Step 3. Open and close the door once to complete the reset process. Then select a new wash cycle to test if the issue is resolved. If the soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, you may need to perform a hard reset. The procedure varies depending on your dishwasher model series. For Bosch Series 300 through 500 models, the hard reset requires a specific button combination. This restores factory settings and clears persistent errors. First, turn off the dishwasher completely. Then, press and hold both the rinse and spray buttons simultaneously. While holding these buttons, turn the dishwasher back on. Continue holding until the lights flash, then release the buttons and close the door. Wait 90 seconds for the reset to complete. For newer Series 800 and higher models, Bosch has simplified the hard reset process with a different button combination. Series 800 and higher models use a streamlined reset procedure. Press the power button to turn off the unit completely. Hold the start and on-off buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then release and press power again. Finally, select the auto cycle to test the reset. If standard resets fail to resolve the issue, you may need to perform an emergency reset using the circuit breaker. This is the most comprehensive reset method. The emergency reset protocol involves cutting power at the circuit breaker level. This ensures a complete system restart and clears any electrical issues. Turn off the dishwasher circuit breaker for 10 full minutes. While waiting, check all water connections and drain hoses for any visible issues. After 10 minutes, restore power by turning the circuit breaker back on. Perform a soft reset, then run an empty test cycle to verify the dishwasher is working properly. Understanding common error codes can help you determine which reset method to use and whether additional troubleshooting steps are needed. Error code E15 indicates water in the base pan, which requires draining the base and checking for leaks before attempting any reset procedure. Error E22 indicates filter blockage. Clean the filters thoroughly before performing a soft reset. Error E24 suggests drainage problems. Check the drain hose and perform a hard reset if needed. Remember to always start with the simplest solution first. Most issues can be resolved with a soft reset, and only persistent problems require hard resets or emergency procedures.